Hello and welcome back to Real Estate with Alicia. Are you self-employed and thinking about buying a home but feel like qualifying for a mortgage is just a pipe dream? Well, you're actually not alone, but you're definitely in the right place. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly what lenders are looking for when it comes to self-employed borrowers, how long you need to be in business, the paperwork you'll need, and how to boost your chances of approval with just a few smart moves. So let's dive in. First things first, how long do you need to be self employed to qualify for a home loan? Most lenders want to see a consistent income stream for at least 2 years. Some may consider just 1 year if you've been in a similar line of work previously, but 2 years is the sweet spot. Next up, documents. Be ready to provide these essential documents: 2 years of personal and business tax returns, profit and loss statements, audited and unaudited, depending on the lender, bank statements showing consistent income, and possibly a CPA letter verifying your business. Now, let's talk strategy. To put your best foot forward, you'll want to first pay down any debt and boost your credit score. Avoid big purchases or new lines of credit. And this is a big one. Keep your business and your personal finances separate. Mixing them is a huge red flag for underwriters. And here's something a lot of people miss: cash reserves. These are extra funds in your account after you made your down payment and paid your closing costs. Think of it as your mortgage safety net. Lenders love it because it shows that you can keep making payments when your income dips low. Most lenders want to see anywhere between 2 to 6 months worth of mortgage payments saved up, but more is always better. To recap, getting a mortgage while self employed is possible. Stay organized and document everything. Give yourself time to prepare financially as well. So, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more home buyer tips. And drop your comments and questions below. I actually do read every one. Thank you all for watching, and here's to turning that business income into a dream home.